What's up, guys? Here with another video. Today we will be playing a new game called Amazing Strange Rope Police, whatever that means. Alright, so I just found it. I was bored one day and I found a game, so I wanted to show you guys. It's weird. It's loading. Yes. If you want more videos, like and subscribe. Maybe because I haven't been getting a lot of likes on my videos, I'll do 5 likes. That should be good enough for you guys. Ow! I hurt. Yeah, I want some. Make a cop. Let's get out of here. This game is kind of hard to play. The controls are kind of hard. But it's also very similar to Minecraft if you have played that. I want a hoverboard. Oh, I'm being shot at. Oh yeah, riding on the hoverboard. Yo, this thing is fast. Alright guys, if you have a hoverboard, like this video and comment down below. Whoa. Whoa, I already have 3 stars. Nice. This gun is awesome. I like this gun. Oh yeah, he's got an RPG. I like. Hey man, guess what? Boom. Ow. Ah. Yes. He's almost down. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. And a revolver. Being shot at. Whenever being shot at and you're low on health, just yeah. Got a revolver. Ooh, I like that card. Alright, so over to the side, you can see that those are my basically my challenges that I have to do. So yeah. You don't see them right now because I'm driving in a car, but if I get out of the car you'll be able to see them. So see, I've stolen 2 cars, haven't stolen any bikes yet, I've killed 2 cops, killed 3 gangsters, I have 531 bitcoins, which are those golden coins that I've been picking up. Excuse me, sir. Oh, ow. Get out of here. Ah! Alright, alright. Ah. Oh! They both got taken out by the car. This is how they do it back in my day. Ooh, nice. Ah. Oh yeah. Alright, now we're gonna take this bike. This is a nice bike. What is that? No way. Is this what I think it is? No, it's not intact. Yeah, I got like an Iron Man chest thing. Ah, I died. But luckily, this game still allows you to have what you died with. Why are you looking the other way? RPG! Watch this, ready? Oh, I missed. Oh. Oh! Snap. This girl's about to pull out a gun, isn't she? Oh no. Come here. Nice. Oh man, I'm running on health. Just need one more bike. Actually. See, you just saw probably that I said that I just completed another job. See, it's so hard to control. Oh, I just hit somebody and I died. Come on, monster. What? There's supposed to be somebody who falls out of it. Why didn't anybody fall out of it? Alright, yeah. Whoa! Watch it, ambulance. Oh! Darn it. I blew up myself. Bring it on here. Come on, let's go. Fight me. Boom. Oh, nice shot. Hey. Boom. What are you doing, huh? Triple punching, you're already down. That's off. Get up. Fight me like a real man. Boom. Not surviving this. Get out of there, punk. Whoa! Did I just speed up your twin? No way. Come here. Let me get you too. Hey, punk. Come here. Punch you. Give me this bike. Yeah. Yeah. What in the world? Hey, what are you doing? Come here. Fight me. Oh man, we're causing a traffic jam. I mean, we got 4 stars. Wait, I keep forgetting the Bitcoin. Gunshot. Yum. Nice. being shot at? Whoa. Alright. So. It's a pretty neat game. Don't have enough ammo. I mean, let's buy this. Alright. Nice. Alright, I'll take the revolver. So, yeah. No what? Get me out of here. Climb to the top of this building, be like. Climb to the top of this building, be like. Alright. Iron Man. What in the world? Ah! Oh, I can run that way? It's pretty neat. I can run away from here. Why is my rope swinging not working? What is this? Seems weird. I've never been up here before. Just so you guys were wondering. If there's a city that way. Oh, it's water. Can we swim in this game? Oh, we died. I think we can't go swimming. Alright, well, I think I'll probably just leave the game off here. Oh, let me just get this guy. You die already? You too, you die too. Oh man, it's going crazy. Ah! Drop. Want any more? Yeah. I'm being shot at. No witnesses. Oh, that was a one. Nice. Oh, sorry, dude. What? What in the world? I just jumped through that building. Dude, are you okay?